So have you ever been to the Flamingo Crossings sections right outside Disney property? Actually, this is probably on Disney property. I'll tell you more about the history of it, but it's just near Coronado Springs off Western Way. So to get to Flamingo Crossings, we'll start over here at Hotel Plaza. And coming around Disney Springs, you'll be on Buena Vista Drive. Come on over here towards the Riviera on the left. Hidden on the other side of those trees on the right is Epcot. And then you come over here to the intersection where you'll see the gas station where the Speedway is. Make a right turn if you want to go to Boardwalk Villas. But just continue on Buena Vista Drive. As soon as you come around, you're going to see the Coronado Springs Resort on your right. And that's going to be your cue to make sure you're in the right lane, because you're going to take the next right on Western Way. Follow that on out. You're still on Disney property. And in a couple miles, you're going to see the sign thanking you for visiting. See you real soon. And that starts the directions to the hotel to show that it is actually less than 1 mile. So you make it right there on Hartzog after you pass Route 429. And immediately on your right, you'll see the Town Place Suites Orlando at Flamingo Crossings. So, there's many hotel options here at Flamingo Crossings. We've stayed at Town Place Suites by Marriott here several times. They have shuttle access to the parks, and you can buy park tickets here, a whole lot of things. Breakfast is included, and this one has kitchenettes that you'll see in the room review. So when you enter, you have a kitchenette right there. Here's the back of the door. Look at this refrigerator you get, not too shabby. Nice sink, dishwasher, trash can, cleaning supplies. You can get a little stovetop. Microwave, little storage cabinet. There's nothing in those two, but in here you've got a lot of dishes, glasses, mixing bowls, strainers. And up on this one above the refrigerator are pots and pans. Okay. Right behind the door, next to it, is a closet door. Has an iron board, rack for clothes. I guess up a clothes basket if you want to take it down to the laundry and do your laundry. A little holder there for your suitcase. And there's a entrance also into the bathroom. I'll show you later on that side. So you can get to this from two sides. Electrical panel there. And as you go into the main room, you got plenty of storage options. You have your couch, little ottoman there. You got a nice desk. There's a chair here. And when you move the chair out of the way, you can move this table anywhere you wanted, like in front of the sofa, so you could eat there. So there you go. Come in, kitchen, and the sitting area. Come across here to the bed. We have the king size suite. So it's a nice king size bed there. Dresser with storage on each side. Nightstand, I should say. Going into the bathroom. Got a sink, mirror, nice lights, plenty of towels, washcloths, the toilet, and there's a tub with shower, and of course the usual suspects: body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Like I told you before, behind the door in the bathroom is an access to that same closet. And there's the door by the kitchenette right over there. Very nice. You can access it either way. Now let's go to breakfast. So when you come down from the elevators, check out the first floor doors. Each of the 4 Disney parks is displayed. Really pretty neat. Got some information on the weather, what's going on inside and around the hotel. Nice little decals on the floor. We come over here to the seating area, the main seating area, and around to the breakfast station. I believe it's 6:30 to 9 o'clock. 6:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. every day. Got some nice oatmeal over there. You start over here on the right, you got some cereal choices, yogurts. The cereals and the yogurts change up. They may not be the same each day. You got your milk, 2%, skim. Here's your plasticware napkins. And if you want to start out with some fruit, on this day they had apples and bananas, even though the bananas were empty when I walked by. There's some butter, margarine, and cream cheese for your bagels, toast. You got jellies, peanut butter. A little display of some wheat bread if you wanted toast. On this day we had some scrambled eggs, along with some Western scrambled eggs. A couple varieties of turkey bacon and sausage, and conventional pork sausage. Both Lynx patties. And this stuff can change up on a daily basis. And this is pretty cool. Look at all the condiments they have here if you want to dress up your eggs, from hot sauces, sriracha, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise. They got some salsa, some cheese. Then you come over to the pastry section. Got a couple different muffins, several different bagels to choose from. Pretty neat. Over at the juice station, we got orange and apple, a little bit of water, and there's your toasters. And of course, you can make your own Mickey waffles if you want the freshest available. And I'll show you where they stock them over here towards the seating area. And you can also get chocolate chip ones here, along with the regular ones. And here's where we like to start our morning. Look at this tea selection. You got packets of cocoa mix, hot water, decaf coffee, pretty much any sweetener you could hope for. Some napkins, there's the cups, sleeves, and some cream, half and half, and milk. Yeah, a little pro tip. Besides the regular coffee and tea station, there's a little one over here. Along with this sign, if you wanted a specialty drink, you could go over to the Flamingo's Bar and Grill, just outside where this is taken. There's a little center here where you can get some work done. You've got a couple computers, some nice chairs if you had to take a phone call. There's also some outside seating right there if the weather's nice. So if you don't have to sit inside if you don't want to. Our room is facing the parking lot. And right over there to the left is the main intersection at Hartzog Road and Western Way. Off in the distance is part of Disney Village, where a lot of cast members live. We have some more hotels all around, and lots of shopping, restaurants, pharmacy, Target, variety of stores, and they're building more over there. We drove by there last night. There's a lot that aren't finished yet, not occupied. So when they are, it's going to be a lot of things to do in that area right there. And from here, you can see that batting area, the play area that's fenced in, the dog walk area, and the picnic area right down there on the other side of the parking lot. Let's go down there and check that area out. So across the parking lot from the hotel is the dog walk area. Here's the dog walk area, right to the right of the picnic pavilion. Batting cages, pitching cages, and a sports practice area. And there you go. You got a trash can, and if you got some bags to clean up after your dog, no excuse. Very nice. They've got some grills here. Let's check those out. Looks like they're natural gas. Yeah. Got 3 grills. Covered area here with picnic tables. Doesn't look like this area gets much use, but a nice Florida night. Be nice to sit out here. Here's the picnic rules. No glass or bottles. So this is a practice field here. Wow, look at this area. Completely fenced in. You can bring some soccer balls. A lot of different sports equipment in here. Very high fences. I'm going to say that's over 12 feet or at least 12 feet. Got a gate here. Very nice. Let's go walk outside and check out the pool area. Remember, there's another hotel adjoined with this one called Spring Hill Suites. Pretty much the same type of hotel, but without kitchenettes. And they share this common area. Look at this pool, the seating area. Everything's just beautiful. There's going to be a hot tub back there in that far corner on the left there. We'll show you that in a second. Just one more view over here of Flamingo's restaurant and bar. They got a nice outside seating area, along with a little fire pit there. Little gas fire pit there in the middle, rectangular. And there's a sign inside the lobby. I don't know if it's going to always be there or not, but if you have children 12 and under, you buy one entree, they get one for free. That's not too shabby. And here's the hot tub in the corner. Nothing like coming back from a hard park day, soaking them bones. You also got a nice little alcove here on the right back side. 3 gas grills, plenty of chairs and tables. This place is really accommodating. You got a full arcade. You want to bring your children or your adult children in, play some games. You got a lot to choose from in here. And if you want to try and burn off some calories while you're here, besides walking the parks, they have a full gym here. Look at all those treadmills. Dedicated machines, towels, wipes. The other end, we got free weights, a couple benches, and some ellipticals. You can get quite a workout. So, have you ever been to the Flamingo Crossings area? I really think you'll like it. If you happen to be running short on some DVC points, or just want to save a little money on one of your trips, I highly suggest looking into the hotels around the area. Like I said, we recommend Town Place Suites because we've been there several times. Kind of know the place. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this content and you want to see more, please leave a comment. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thanks for watching again. Take care and see you next time at Mickey's Golden Years.